Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're actually going to bring in some money, y'all. And guess what? I think I got more than $30. If y'all are new here, my name is Cassie J. I'm on a debt-free journey to be debt-free by September, which is in 4 months. If I actually am able to, I have a debt confession coming up. I still have not done it. I keep saying that I'm going to do all the numbers and stuff, and I just have not done it. Once something has been paid off, I feel like that would be better off for me to, it's been paid off. I can have a whole setup as to what my next thing that needs to be paid off is coming to. So that's where my idea is at. If y'all are interested in anything of that sort, please make sure that you are liking the video, and please make sure that you are subscribed. Please make sure that you are subscribed and that you comment down below. But let's see if we get this $300. But today, let's see how much we got.
In the crowd, in the club, at the bar, yo, what's up? I saw you cross the room, yeah, glowing in the moonlight. I don't know where you've been, but I'm glad that you're here. Gonna take you back.
1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40, y'all. I was like $5, $6. So excited. Okay, let's see. And we're going to put this 5 here. And then whenever there's like 5, we're going to swap them out with whichever one. Again, this money is $300 is my goal. So I can have $300 as my spending money whenever I go to North Carolina. It is just a one-night trip. So we do go the day before. We'll be there during the day, be there during the graduation, and then we come home after the graduation. So let's go and do this with this. I have $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Oh, this one needed like $10 or something. 1, 2. This is getting serious. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Back and this. Okay. Y'all know something simple as that almost took me out. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think this was done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I think that one was done, y'all. Oh, I think this one's done. Oh. Okay, so exciting. Okay. Oh, so close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think this was done. Okay, so this one, 5, wait, 10, 14. How much do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh man, come on now. 15, 5, 10, 14. Shit. 8, 9, 10, 15. I would have just had 3 dots. I did not count first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is gonna have $1 more if I, because that's 98, 99, 100, 1. Yeah. We'll end with $101. Still can't close it out though. Jeez. Well, actually, can we still? So I can have another one next game. I can have another. Can we still? No, let's be. No, I want to do it. 1, 2 to make it 100 is complete. This is so fun. Okay, that money I'm putting it in the bank because it needs to sit there so I can pay me for saving. It's not like it's gonna pay me much because we're about to leave. But anyway, this one is completed. Okay, and so this one I put to the side. Actually, let's put this money back in here until I go to the bank so I won't be like, what is this money for? All right, and then the next one we have is the mystery one. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, we can hit that. We can get that 14 out. Yes. Yeah. Oh, we need a 1. I was so excited. I have no idea how much this one is, and I'm just gonna wait. I want to sum it up, but we're gonna wait. I'm excited to see how much this one's going to save in the end. That one is so cool. But look how many we have left though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. Then we could do a count. Okay, and then we have so much more on this one. That was so discouraging, right? You look at it, you're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Let's just fold it. It's folded, and then we can get one of these 10s out next time. I'm like, there's still a whole bunch of you on here. I mean, I could, do the 5 and the 7, but there's like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 63. Louise. Damn. All right, so we'll figure out what I want to do. I don't know if I'm actually going to start the setup for the cupcake ones or if I'm going to find another game and challenge whatever so I can have it in this, or what I'm actually going to do. I really want cupcakes. Like, that's my thing. I think if I'm going to do a cupcake one, because it's my birthday is not till August. So I have all of June and July and August. Because my birthday is on August 4th, the beginning of August. But I'm not actually celebrating my birthday until September, because September is after whenever I move. And if we have if we get a house, this is what I'm hoping for, is that we get a house, is that we have, even if it's a rental, I can have a small gathering at my house and like barbecue in the backyard. That's the birthday gift to myself, is being able to barbecue in my own backyard. Right now we have a patio, but the patio is really small. So it's not really like anything, there or whatever. So that's my goal. I'm going to try to see if we could do it in September. Even if I have to push it back to October, that would be amazing. So I have one challenge. It's $400 for the birthday one. I went to go look at it, and that's the one that I was saying that it's pink, and it has like a A6 savings challenge and also an A6 dashboard to go with it. And I want to make some cupcakes, some kind of cupcake something to go with it. So hopefully y'all are able to see that. I might actually bring the birthday one in next round, or I might just play these two. I'm not sure yet, but I do want to start saving and stuffing towards that. So thank y'all so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay safe. Bye, guys.